Welcome to my channel. My name is Silynthia, and I'm your mom who's trying to get her family to financial freedom. I have a part-time job. I also have an Etsy shop with I'm Cassie J Budgets and Vlogs. I'll link her shop as well as our freebies down below so you can grab them if you'd like. Also, for the month of May, I did join a collaboration of ladies where we are supporting each other's YouTube channels. So I will link all of those ladies if you want to check them out. Feel free to do so. And if you're not already subscribed, let them know I sent you. Yay! All right, and for that collaboration, we are working on this savings challenge, and all 23 of the ladies and I are either working on or showing this savings challenge. So I will be stuffing this one today. We have our high priority envelopes to get us through the week, but also my high priority savings challenge that I am working on, these two. So we will get to that. So let's count up what we're working with today. 20, 40, 60, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100, 5, 10, 15. I have $115 that I'm working with today, and I'm so glad about it. I did miss a couple days of work, not days, hours out of my week, and so trying to keep my finances in order has been a circus trick, really. I don't know. I think it's just all God moving through every aspect of my life in order for things to work out the way they are. By the way, happy Sunday. Let's get going. First, let's start with our weekly expense envelopes, which I got these as a digital download from Conversation on Etsy. So the quality is not from her. These are old. I've had them for a long time, and I keep saying that I'm going to put them back through the laminator, and I have not even pulled them out of this binder. So there's that. But I will link her channel down below because she has some phenomenal options in her shop in terms of savings challenges, cash envelopes, you name it, dashboards. There's all kinds in there. Anyway, fun money is mommy, and that's getting $10. All right, gas getting 20, which has been working out pretty well. I did mention before that I try not to let my car gas get below half a tank. You know, sometimes it might hit right below it, but I try to keep it above it. Household getting $10. And pets getting $10. My kitty does need a couple things. Really just kitty litter and maybe a little bit more wet food because I racked up on the dry food last week to try to get me ahead. And my kiddos are not getting anything because we have been putting money into our sinking funds. And then laundry is getting $5 today. I'm not going to put it in this envelope. I'm going to put it in my wallet. Let's grab it. I've been using this little wallet for my laundry, and I have some ones, I have some quarters. I also have some quarters in my car, but because I've been going on Wednesdays, keeping up with my laundry, it's been really good for me. It's not been expensive to wash like normal. So laundry taken care of. All right, so let's figure this part out. Savings challenges. Let's see. So I've been doing each circle as $5. So we're not going to stop that momentum. We're going to keep that going, and we're going to add 20. Ooh, okay. I have a whole nother 20 here. Let's see first what I can do in my other savings. Let's put this off to the side. This is my save $225 in 2025. This saving challenge is actually from our anime collection in the shop, and so yeah, if you're interested, the shop will be linked down below. And I have some cash here, 5, 10, 15, 20. So why don't we do, let's do 2 10s. Perfect. This one is so close to being finished. I want to see 10, 20, 25, 30. So I think what I'm going to have to do is next Sunday, we're going to have to finish this. I'm going to write myself a little note saying I need $30 to complete this savings challenge so I can make sure I pull that amount from my account. That's going to be really important. So we did 2 10s. I was trying to have this completed before my kiddo's birthday, which their birthday is not until mid-June, but I kind of need to get myself together to know. I have to order some things, you guys. I got to get myself together. All right, so we're going to go ahead and put that $20 into our Manifest Collaboration Savings Challenge. That will complete my savings challenge. Okay. Okay, that's exciting. All right, we're adding another 20. We are adding another $20 today. That completes this savings challenge. I did print it. I don't think I'm going to start another one next week. I think we're going to leave well enough alone because there is another savings challenge coming in June. And I only stuff this savings challenge on, yeah, I only stuff it on Sundays. But we saved 20, 40, 60, 80, 100. I saved $100 by forcing myself to put $5 for each circle. And that's wild to me. But what I'm going to do is, because this is for my kiddo's birthday, I'm going to grab their binder and we're going to put the money into their birthday envelope. Let's see here. This is my kiddo's binder, and we've been spending a little bit, well, a lot of it. They've been spending quite a bit, but, and also I did spend a little bit from clothing, which I did not want to do, but I went to the thrift store and things were half off and I found some decent things. So I went ahead and grabbed them. What are we doing? Birthday. Get to birthday, girl. All right, here we go. So we are adding this $100 to birthday. Yes. And so let's count up how much they actually have. 50, 70, 90, 110, 130, 150, 170, 190, 210, 230, 250, 270, 290, 91, 92. I have $292 here. Now, for the record, I do have some money in the bank already going. I have this save $225 in 2025 for their birthday as well. So what I need to do is figure out how much I have collectively next week after we complete this savings challenge, plus what I have in the bank, to see what I need and how much I need to continue on saving. That's where I am. Oh my gosh. This is so exciting because they've asked for some pretty expensive gifts, and as a single mom, I'm always going to try. That's just where I'm at with, even if I feel like it's not even an option, I'm going to try. They're my children. They're my babies, you know? So, and I feel like because of circumstances, children should not have to miss out on everything. And they know we're not filthy rich, so they may miss out on some things. And sometimes I have to tell them no. And even in this situation where they are asking for expensive gifts, I have to tell them no along the way in order to reach these goals. And so when I tell them, look, we've got some big asks for our birthday. What do we need to do? Do we want to pull back and say maybe you want something else for your birthday, or do we still want to focus on getting these things for your birthdays? And they're just like, whatever we got to do, we'll sacrifice. So, and same tip for me. I mean, we're willing to sacrifice so that way we can sacrifice for the greater good, because we want those really cool gifts. And so I did explain that we may not be doing anything for their birthday, which at the way things are going, there's some extra shifts coming available at my job, so I may have to jump on that and get some a couple of days, and especially because once school is out, I won't have to worry about picking them up, dropping them off, and things like that. I can go to work and not have to worry about that. Anyway, wish me luck, you guys. Say a little prayer for me because this has been quite a journey, very exciting nonetheless, but I am almost in tears, like thinking that the things that my kiddos are asking for, especially as a single mom, I'm working on delivering. So, and I'm pretty close, so I can, I'm so close. Anyway, That's it for now, guys. I want to thank you all so much for watching. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe. All of the things that can keep us connected. I look forward to seeing you in my next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye, guys.